guys, this is Mano. Today we're gonna test this air compressor and see how it works. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is the air compressor that I have. I got this from Amazon. The brand is Audew. Let me get it out. So this is the brand, Audew. Let's open it. So this is the gauge. This is to turn on the light. Right here, you can turn the light and you can turn on the compressor here, and it has a gauge, has a light. This is very good when you're at night. Alright, so this is all it has. That's it. So I'm gonna test it to see how long it will take to inflate the tire. Alright, I'm gonna put it around like 10 psi and I'm gonna leave it till 35 psi. So let's see how long it takes and how good this thing, how fast this thing is. Alright, let's do it. Also, it has 3 more connections. Alright, so it has this thing extra. Also, one thing you must have is a tire gauge. With this, I'm gonna check the air first. I'm gonna take some air out, so I'm gonna leave it at 10 psi before I use the compressor, right? Now it's at 10 psi. Yeah, I'm gonna connect this on the cigarette lighter. Alright, so it took 5 minutes and 25 seconds to fill from 10 psi till 35 psi. So almost 25 pounds of air. Alright, so let's check. Let's see with the gauge how accurate this gauge it is. Alright, so let's remove this thing. So in here it says 35. So let's see how much it says here. Alright, so in here it says 40. So it's not that perfect, but that's why you always have to have one of these. Let me do it again. Yeah, it says 40 again. 40. So maybe it takes like 5 minutes for 35 psi. So because this one went a little bit too high, so I'm gonna remove a little bit. Yeah, it's too much. Yeah, right there. So now it's on ready. 35 psi. Alright, so the gauge is not that accurate, but always you need to get one of these. So I'm gonna put the link for this one and one of these. This one is very good when you're middle of nowhere and there's nowhere to fill up your tire and you have a flat tire. This is awesome. You see the LED works. That's good, it's perfect. I like it. This one is around $24, and I think it's good quality. Yeah. It's a little bit bigger, I think, from the other ones that I have seen. It's a little bit bigger, but I like it. I like that it has a light. not all of them has a light. This one do, and this one is very easy, just the on and off switch, light, this one, and that's it. All right. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the link for this one and the gauge on the description of the video. So this one is not digital, this is manual. You have to turn it on and off manually, alright? And the gauge has a gauge, that's a good thing, but remember to buy an extra gauge because sometimes it's not accurate, the gauge for this one, and it's better to be safe, okay? So all the links are gonna be on the description of the video. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me know which one do you have, which one do you prefer. This one is good, but put in the comments which air compressor do you like more, alright? This one is good, it's a good price. There are more better ones, of course, out there, but also more expensive. Okay, let me know if you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.